Hey guys, for today's video, we are gonna do a 5-strand side braid. I know it sounds scary, intimidating. You might not think you can do it, but I promise you can do it. Just with a little bit of practice, you can do anything. So let's go ahead and get started.
So thank you to Function of Beauty for sponsoring this video. Function of Beauty creates and delivers customized hair care products based on each individual's hair type and goals. So my hair tends to be on the drier side. I am a fake blonde. I get my hair bleached, and well, because I get my hair bleached, it gets dry. So I try to do everything I can to keep it hydrated, and one of those things is using good quality hair products. With Function of Beauty, you can go on their website and create a custom shampoo and conditioner tailored to exactly what you need done for your hair. So you can see here, I need a bunch of hydration. So I did mine without any color or dyes. And it customized a beautiful shampoo for me. It seriously smells like heaven. I wish you guys could smell it through the screen. So it does come with pumps to dispense the shampoo and conditioner, but mine got lost because of my 1- and 2-year-old. But they do come with them. So they're cruelty-free, vegan, sulfate-free, and dermatologist tested. My hair feels so much healthier and shinier, and it seriously smells so good. So I highly recommend it. If you want to try this out, you can get 20% off your first 16-ounce custom set when you click the link in my bio to shop. All right, so we're gonna do a 5-strand braid. So we're gonna divide our hair into 5 sections. Make sure every single section is equal in size. So, all right, so I like to have 2 sections in one hand and the middle section just dropped. Starting with my outermost strand, I'm gonna cross it under the strand that it's next to, and then over the next strand. So here I am crossing it over. So now I'm just going to drop that middle section. Starting with our innermost strand, we're going to do the same steps. Cross it under the strand that it's next to, and then over that next strand. So then once you cross it, I'm just going to show you here, I'm going to drop that middle section. So here it is, drop. So then you just repeat, take your outer strand, cross it under the strand it's next to, and then over the next strand. Take your inside strand, cross it under the strand that it's next to, and then over that next strand. Then we start with our outer sections, crossing it under the strand that it's next to, and then over that next strand. Taking our inside sections, crossing it under, and then over. And that's really all you do. I know it looks complicated, but we are literally just going under and then over, and then doing the same thing with the opposite sections, going under and then over. And you do this all the way down. So I will say the hardest part is starting the braid. Once you have a good base for your braid, it's super easy. Okay, maybe not easy right at first, but it does get easier. It's hard trying to figure out the motions, but once you practice and get the hang of it, I promise it is just the coolest thing. So once I get to the ends, I just pinch them and then tie them off with a hair tie. This part is important. Make sure you pancake your braid. This is really going to take your braid to the next level. Look at that. This literally looks like a princess braid, like a Disney princess would wear this. Every time I wear this braid, if I do like a Dutch braid on the side of my head or a side braid like this, I just get so many compliments. It is gorgeous, but if you can't do this, I'm going to show you how to do a hack. So we're going to take 2 sections, braid them, and then stick a small strand of hair in between those. You are literally just going to open up the inside section of one of your braids, pull that strand through. Do the same thing. Take that strand of hair, just pull it through that opposite braided section, and you just literally are weaving that small strand of hair through the top of each braid. And what it does is it just kind of connects those 2 braids together to make them look like one big braid. So technically this would be a 6-strand braid because we have 2 3-strand braids. Well, maybe it would be a 7-strand braid. I don't know, but it's kind of similar to the braid we just did, right? So it's a cool little hack, I think. So I weave that small strand of hair through every braided section. If you have shorter hair, you might not be able to do that. You can do like every other. But then I'm just pinching and pulling, and this is what it looks like. So it's not bad, right? So I'm going to show you a side by side. So the left side is the braid we just did, the hack, and then the right side is the 5-strand braid.
So that is it. That is the video. Let me know which one you're gonna try. Are you gonna attempt the 5-strand braid or just do the braid hack? I would love to know in the comments below. Do you think they look similar? Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah! Bye.